This is AK Garage. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to help the work improve. Today I'm here to do a video about a diesel engine, to talk about diesel engine. If the engine is not sparking or it doesn't respond, it's not responding, what you have to do, the process that you have to go through to spark your diesel engine. One is to remove the air from the system and the air lock. Like this video, what you should do is this: remove air from the system. After removing the air from the system, and then still the engine is not responding, the second one, you have to check whether the diesel or whether the pump is supplying diesel to the combustion chamber or to the injectors. You check that. If you check and there's no supply, then what to do next is to remove the solenoid valve and test and check whether the valve is shooting or not. So here I'm talking about the manual pump. So you remove the solenoid valve and test if it is shooting or not. Like this video, the body of the solenoid is a negative, so use the negative side to lift as you bring the cable at the bottom of the solenoid. There you go. So you go like this way. Make sure that it not touch the body, but only the bottom of the solenoid. Then the positive one here, the negative one here. So we are going to check whether it shoots or not. So check it out. See, it's shooting. That's shooting. See, you test it and check whether it's shooting or not. If it is shooting, that means it's good. If not shooting, then you need to change the valve, or you remove the valve and check whether the engine will supply direct, whether the engine will start or not. If the engine didn't start, what to do again? You take the pump to the machine shop, and then they will test the pump whether the pump is good or not. If it is good, then you go to the injectors, or you service the injector and service the pump and the injectors at the same time, so that the work will be okay for you. That's the diesel, that's the manual pump, a manual engine I'm talking about here. So we come to the electronics parts. The electronics engine, the pump, they have some switch. This is the switch of the electronic pump. You have some switch. That switch, you change the switch, you replace the switch with a new one. Replace the switch with a new one and see whether the engine will respond or not. If the engine doesn't respond, then you have to change the whole pump and see whether it will start or not. If it didn't start it, then the injectors need to service. So this one, as you are about to change, you change the new pump, replace the new pump, then at the same time you service the injectors. You see if it didn't respond as electronics, then come in with an electrician. Now I'm talking about mechanical parts, the mechanical aspect here that I'm talking about. So I'm going to do a video. I will do a video again about what to do after going all this process and your engine didn't respond, didn't start, it cramped but didn't start. I'll do a video, a next video about that one too. So subscribe to my YouTube channel and wait for the second part of the video. So subscribe, like, share, follow, and comment. Check me out everywhere, LK Garage, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LK Garage, and there. So follow and subscribe to LK Garage. Thank you.